If lighting charcoal feels like folding the laundry that's been living inside your dryer for a week, this one's for you, because today we're taking a quick look at the new Big Green Egg Quick Light Kit. Hello and welcome to the #1 source, rated by yours truly, of important information pertaining your present or future Big Green Egg. My name is Aaron Woolhite. It's my absolute privilege to take you on this journey into learning the ways of the egghead community. Speaking of the egghead community, y'all have been lighting charcoal for a long time, and it's safe to say 99% of you know what you're doing. I want to preface by saying you don't need the Quick Light Kit, but here's the thing. Once you try it, you may not want to light your egg any other way. We've put this in the hands of a lot of longtime eggheads during testing, and apparently the hardest part of that whole process was, well, getting the prototypes back. The new Big Green Egg Quick Light Kit doesn't reinvent the wheel because essentially we're still lighting charcoal. It just changes where the fire starts by placing the heat source underneath the charcoal, right where the airflow can do the most work. This new design improves the airflow, reduces maintenance, and helps your charcoal light as hot and fast as physics will allow. The new Quick Light Kit is essentially two parts, the charcoal grate and the tool. Compared to the old charcoal grate, the new Quick Light charcoal grate has a more open design, which gives ash fewer places to sit and more room to fall through. That means air can move more freely from the bottom draft door up into the charcoal. And when charcoal gets more oxygen, it lights faster, burns more evenly, and gets your egg up to temperature more consistently. I mean, if you were a fire, which one would you rather breathe through? The new Quick Light Grate is also made with 430 stainless steel. Why is this a great choice? See what I did there? Great. The 430 stainless steel is engineered to withstand extreme heating and cooling cycles without breaking or cracking, unlike cast iron that breaks over time. I'm confident in saying this will be the last charcoal grate you will ever purchase, and it will most likely outlive your current egg. Now, let's talk about the Quick Light tool, and it may look familiar if you own the rotisserie. That's because it's made with the same high-quality materials, the handle being a non-slip micarta, and the tool itself being a 304 stainless steel. The tool was designed with one primary thing in mind: physics. Placing the heat source at the very bottom is a surefire way to, well, get a fire for sure. A quick note, the Quick Light tool doesn't work with the old grate because the old grate just simply doesn't allow the air to pass through the same way. The Quick Light Kit comes in 3 sizes, medium, large, and extra large, and each one is specifically designed for its matching Big Green Egg, so make sure you choose the correct size for your grill. One important note, the extra large version looks a little different because it includes this donut-shaped centerpiece. This is intentional and an actually well-designed feature. The extra large grate is a much larger piece of steel, and with repeated high heat cooking, steel naturally expands, contracts, and can warp over time. This design helps improve the thermal integrity and overall durability of the product. This centerpiece is not a random design choice. It is there for performance. Another quick note, the extra large Quick Light Kit will also work with the 2XL. With all of that said, let's get this open. Well, it's already open, and let's get smoking. Installing the Quick Light charcoal grate is simple. First, make sure your Big Green Egg is completely cool. Remove the old charcoal and the charcoal grate. Now this is a great time to do a deep clean of your egg by getting all of the ash your tool can't reach. Ash buildup restricts airflow, and airflow is literally the entire point of the system. If the bottom of your egg is packed with ash, you're basically asking the Quick Light Kit to run a marathon in boots. Once everything is cleaned out, place the new Quick Light charcoal grate into the bottom of the firebox. The design team made a really nice label for us to determine which side goes up. Once the Quick Light charcoal grate is properly seated, add your Big Green Egg natural lump charcoal, close the dome, and open the regulator cap and the bottom draft door vent. When you close the dome, the entire Big Green Egg turns into a giant charcoal chimney. Want more details? We actually made a video all about lighting the Big Green Egg, which you can find by clicking the link above or in the description below. Now it's time for the Quick Light tool. The goal is simple. You do not have to touch charcoal ever again. The lighter tool is designed to hold Big Green Egg Speedy Light charcoal starters or twisters and position them right underneath the charcoal where the airflow can do the work. Like I said, the Quick Light tool is designed to take Speedy Light sticks or twisters. And yes, Speedy Light sticks was plural. Try putting 2 to 3 in there for an even faster light. Whichever heat source you choose, do not light it while you're holding it out in the open. I'll say that again because somebody's crazy uncle needs to hear it. Do not hold it while it's lit. Instead, insert the Quick Light tool most of the way into the bottom draft door and then light it. Once the heat source is ignited, it's time to seat the tool. To do this, place the feet of the Quick Light tool inside the channel of the sliding draft door. This is very important. If the feet are not properly seated in that channel, the tool can fall out and that creates a fire risk. So take the extra 2 seconds and make sure it is locked into place correctly. And voila, you now have a faster and more efficient lighting system. One important note, with this new lighting method, your temperature gauge may look like it's taking its sweet time. That's because the fire is starting underneath the charcoal and heating the entire charcoal bed from the bottom. So while the gauge may not jump right away, the charcoal and the egg are actually heating up much more efficiently. We recommend checking on it after about 10 minutes and then every few minutes after that, because let me tell you, once that temperature starts moving, it can go pretty fast. Once the charcoal is lit, carefully remove the lighter tool. When pulling it out, rotate the tool 180 degrees so any leftover debris stays contained. Then pull it out upside down. That helps keep anything loose from falling out where you don't want it. Then hang the quick light tool on the nest handler, tool hook, or on a non-combustible surface. Do not grab the metal portion. It was just inside of a fire. That feels like something I shouldn't have to say, but I know there's some silly folks out there. And with all of that, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and remember, light your egg fast and clean so you can get straight to the cuisine.